What's going on, Sacred Team? Today I'm going to be going over how to do this 3D floating money effect inside After Effects. We're going to be using Element 3D. If you guys don't have the plugin, I'm going to link it down below. You guys should really use it. You guys should really get it. It's one of the best plugins inside After Effects. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe button down below. We're dropping sauce every single day this month in August. You don't want to miss on the sauce. Don't forget to hit that like button. Help my channel grow, guys. I'm just starting out on YouTube now, and I really want to go crazy with y'all. With that being said, let's hop straight into After Effects. First step, what you guys want to do is, which I already did, is you want to click on your clip, and you want to go ahead and track the camera, and let the camera do its thing and track all the points. As you guys can see, we have the 3D camera tracker right here. So go ahead and track it. Once you guys track it, you guys are going to see all these points show up on your clip. This is exactly what we want. We want to choose an area that's consistent with the track points. So I'll choose like right here in the middle of the stomach. Highlight all of them. Right click. Create text and camera. When I play it back, as you guys can see, the text indeed tracked onto him. We won't be needing that text no more, so we can go ahead and delete it. That was just to show you guys that it tracked on. Next step we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add a solid. I'm going to use Brian Delamita's workflow script. So I press on this and it automatically adds a solid for me. If you guys don't have that script, you can go ahead and right click on your panel, go to new, solid. I highly suggest you guys get this workflow script. If you guys want a quick text, it opens up a text for you. If you guys need a solid, boom, press, pops up. If you guys want to lighten your scene, there it is. There's a null, creates a camera adjustment layer, duplicates your clip for you. Workflow is pretty convenient, guys. It makes your editing way faster. If you guys want workflow, I'm gonna link it down below. Press on Brian Delamita's link that I have in my description. Go ahead and buy it. Now that we have our solid, we're gonna go to effects and presets, search up element, throw it on top of the solid. Before we go to scene setup, we're gonna go into custom layers, custom texture maps. Layer 1, we're going to set that to our performance clip, and what that's going to do is it's going to pretty much set up the environment for our texture. So now we can go ahead and go to scene setup. From here, you guys want to import your dollar bill, so let me bring that up. Once you import it, go ahead and normalize the size. As you guys can see, the bill is inside element for us. It's exactly what we want. I got this bill, guys, from sketchfab.com. I'm gonna link down sketchfab.com in the description down below as well. Make sure you guys go to Sketchfab. You guys can get yourself a free dollar bill. You don't have to pay. Just make sure it's an OBJ once you guys download it. And as you guys can see, it already comes with the material as well, which is pretty fire. Right before we exit out of this, we're gonna go up to an environment. We're gonna press on this. We're gonna choose our custom layer 1, and that's what we did for the environment. And as you can see, it lights it up for us and makes it better for our scene. Once you guys got your bill handled, go ahead and press OK. We're going to go to group 1, particle replicator. We're going to go ahead and put 10 for the particle count. That's going to make $10 bills for us. We don't see it yet, guys, because it's small. Go to particle look, particle size. Let's go to particle rotation. Let's rotate that a little bit. Rotate the X. There it is. Rotate the Y. There you go. Let's bring that particle size back down a bit. As you guys can see, it is floating around crazy. For us to make that not float as much, go into position Z, and we're gonna push it out in Z space. We're gonna bring that particle size up. Keep pushing it out in Z space. And now when we play it back, guys can see it stays there in place. Now we're gonna scatter them around. Let's go to our particle replicator, replicator effects, scatter. We're gonna go ahead and mess with these. We're gonna scatter them out now. Make sure you guys scatter them out to your liking. Probably take a little bit. Go to Z scatter 2, throw them out to the back. If you guys need to reposition it, go ahead and position XY. Bring that more towards him. Now play it back, we got something like this. We're gonna go ahead and keyframe the position X and Y. We're gonna go to the end. We're gonna make sure that stays next to him. Bring that closer in. Now we play it back, we got something like this. Wanna have some more bills, so I'm gonna put 20. Yes, sir. Go back into that scatter, keep messing around with it. Play it back, we have something like this. Now let's add some more animation to it. Let's make the bills rotate. Go to particle look, go to multi-object, enable multi-O. We're gonna keyframe the rotation random. We're gonna go ahead and rotate it one full time. As you guys can see, 1 pops up right there. We're gonna go to the end. We're gonna rotate it about 3 times. Now let's do 4. And now when we play it back, something like that. As you guys can see, the bill doesn't really match the scene that much. So now we're gonna mess around with the lighting. We're gonna go ahead and close out of group 1. Let's go to render settings, go to lighting, and as you guys can see right here is on none. And then we have all these options we could choose from. So you guys could go ahead and mess with it and see which one works out best for you. I like how natural is looking, pretty fire. Then we're gonna search up lumetri color. We're gonna do some basic correction. Let's bring the contrast down a little bit since this clip wasn't really color graded. Maybe the temperature, bring it down just a little bit. It's looking pretty good. Then we're gonna go ahead and tick on that motion blur. That makes it look a little bit more realistic as the bill is turning. Last effect I'm gonna throw on, guys, is Shake Sauce. This is honestly one of the best plugins out right now. Hard hit with a flash. All I do is double click where I want the effect to take place. Play it back, it looks something like this. Fire. That shake, guys, just adds more intensity to the clip, more energy. I'm gonna link down Shake Sauce plugin down below in the description, guys. You guys can get it at Brian Delamita's shop. It's one of the best plugins out. You won't regret it. And that is it for this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button down below. Like I said, we're dropping videos every single day this month. Hit that like button if you haven't hit it yet. It really helped my channel grow, guys. Keep supporting the channel out. I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.